In St. Clair County, Governor Pritzker issued a dire warning about the impacts of President Trump's newly signed spending bill.
The governor says food assistance for 360,000 Illinoisans is at risk, putting people's health in jeopardy.
All right, thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies.
Dozens of East St. Louis residents rely on the Bates Davis neighborhood house.
Because of the center, I'm able to have 2 good meals every day. And I'm only 73 young. I'm going to be 74 next month. I'm just really grateful for this place.
The social services organization serves community members who rely on SNAP benefits to feed their families. Governor JB Pritzker says because of new work and eligibility requirements, 1 in 5 Illinois SNAP recipients could lose their food benefits.
The most basic thing that we've got to do is make sure that people get fed and people get health care. And if we can't do that, and if the federal government is going to hinder us doing that, I don't know how, as a society, that we can survive.
Under President Trump's spending bill, states will now be required to fund a portion of SNAP benefits. Pritzker says that would come with a $700 million price tag.
We can't fill all the holes that they're creating. It's literally like they're cracking holes in our boat from Washington, D.C., and we can only, hold the boards together on the boat, so many of them, and then there's still going to be a leak. So it's a huge problem.
However, in a teletown hall last week, Republican Illinois Representative Mike Bost says it's time for the states to have skin in the game to make sure eligible people are receiving the benefit.
What we're doing is we're being wiser with your tax dollars and making sure that it's going to those people that are United States citizens and are here legally so that they can receive the benefit that they need and not go through and throw this debt off to our children and grandchildren for such a long time. And it's probably one of the better improvements we've ever made.
Moving forward, Pritzker and other Democratic state leaders say it's best for people to not give up and contact your local experts if you think you're eligible for food assistance.
We don't want any family who is eligible, especially families with children or caring for loved ones who may have a disability, to lose out on access to fresh fruits and vegetables and grains and meats. You need that to run a household. And anytime you make it harder for people to enroll in a food program, you're hurting the heart and soul of our country.
And the governor's team estimates 10,000 St. Clair County residents could lose SNAP benefits. Coming up a little bit later at 6:30, we're going to take a deeper dive into the nationwide impact of SNAP cuts and the long-term effects it could have on the economy.